So in this lesson, we are going to learn three different type of French verb group. In French, you can find three different type of verb, and that we are going to learn in this lesson detail, and that is very important to format any sentence according to the subject. So first is first group. And first group, how you can know first group? Whenever you find the verb ending with er, that is considered with first group. Now in second group, you can find the verb ending with ir. Okay, ir like fini. Fini means finish. Now in first, there is a parler, and parler means to speak, which is ending with er. In second group, you can find the verb ending with ir. Now in third group, it is a mix of group regular and irregular verb. For example, verbe aller, it is irregular verb, which does not follow any pattern. Like for example, attendre, it is regular verb in third group, which is follow the pattern of conjugation. Now let's learn one by one group. The first is ir, which is ending with er, and verb is parler. And this is the ending point is given here. So let's learn by table. So first is parler. So parler is ending with ir. So what you have to do, just remove ir and write everywhere parl. Have you seen the parl everywhere? Okay. And then we have to conjugate like with je parle means I speak. Tu parles means you speak. Elle parle, he or she speak. And this is for male gender and this is for female gender. Nous parlons, we speak. Vous parlez, you speak. And il and elle parle, they speak, for male plural and for female plural. Have you seen that? Whenever you find er verb first group, just remove er and add according to the subject es, ons, ez and ent. Now look at some example of verb first group and er. For example, parler, to speak. Aimer, to love or like. Chanter, to sing. Écouter, to listen. And travail, to work, which is all are ending with er, and they are of the first group. So if you want to conjugate, just add e with je, with tu es, il singular just e, nous ons, with vous ez, and with il plural ent. Clear? Alright. Now second group. In second group, you can find the verb ending with ir. For example, fini. And these are the ending of the second group. Just you have to remove ir, and instead of ir, you have to write according to the subjects. Now look at in the table, so you will understand better. For example, fini. So what you have to do here, just remove ir. Instead of ir, write is, it. ISS, ONS, ISS, EZ, and ISS, ENT. Now, with je, we can say je finis, I finish. Tu finis, you finish. Elle finit, he or she or it finish. Nous finissons, we finish. Vous finissez, you finish. Elle finish, they finish. Okay, so it is in present tense. Okay, we are everything learning in present tense. Now in the some examples here also given, like fini, choisi, réussi, grandi, rousi. The meaning is English is given here: to finish, to choose, to success, to grow, to blush. Okay, so if you want to conjugate verb like choisi, so with nous, what we have to write? With nous, chois, and has, add has, it is ISSONS. So remove just IR and add everything here ISSONS. So because Many students, what they do, just they also remove is also. So they say is is also given here, and then we also again we have to write is. Yes. So again you have to put same ISSONS with here with who, CHOIS and ISSEZ, with il and l plural CHOIS, and put as it is ISSENT. Clear? So rest you can do easily, because it's may confuse sometimes. It is because is already given. So why we have to write is? So it is a pattern of conjugation, conjugate. Okay. Now in third group, as I said, it is a mix of group. There are regular and irregular verb also you can find in the third group. Irregular verb, it is follow the pattern of conjugation. But in the irregular verb, we have to learn individual, because we have to remember that individual, because it does not follow any pattern. So for example, IR, irregular verb, RE, regular verb, and OIR, it is irregular verb. Now let's see some example. For example, attend. Attend. Attend means to wait. So which is ending with RE. So it is follow the pattern. Just you have to remove RE as we did here, earlier in Parler and Finir. And then you have to write S as nothing. You don't have to write here nothing. It is remain nothing. ONS EZENT. So how to pronounce it? Okay, so here J is given, JE, and E is vowel in French. So in French there are 7 vowel, A, E, I, O, U, H, mute, and Y. Then we have to write here J apostrophe, J apostrophe. If any word starting with E, again you have to write here J apostrophe, and that is pronounced j'attends. J'attends means I wait. Tu attends, you wait. Il, elle, on attend means he, she, and we, and it attend. On attend means we wait. It is the same. Nous attendons. The meaning is same. We wait. Nous attendons. Nous attendons. We wait. Ils, elles attendent. Ils and elles attendent. They wait. Okay. So it is very important to pronounce here Z, because it starts with vowel and last is S. That is called liaison. Liaison. Here is S and here is A. Vous attendez. Nous attendons. Okay. Now, this is irregular verb. Verb aller means to go. Je vais, I go. Tu vas, you go. Il, elle, on va. He, she, and we go. Nous allons, we go. Vous allez, you go. Ils, elles, vont, they go. Okay. Now let's see some example of irregular verb. For example, aller, avoir, être, fait, and dit. Now, if you want to learn in detail, like for example, verb être, avoir, here also is given verb finir, finir, okay, and here is also verb parler. If you want to learn in detail, I make a different lesson. The description, the link is given in the description, and also you can find in my playlist in YouTube also. So if you think I don't understand in detail, so this is only for Finir lesson, and that is only for Parler lesson, and it is only for être and avoir verb lesson. So I give as much as detail as possible. If you are beginner and if you don't understand here, then you can do in that way. Okay. Now here I give you the small test. Small test. Okay. So with no, you have to conjugate Finir and Finir with IR. So now you understand which group it is. And with no, what you have to conjugate, write in the comment. So write the full sentence in comment, how you can conjugate here. With je, it's parler and foncer. Now it is ending with ER. So which group it is? Alright, you know that. Now RE, you also know this group, which group it is, and this is verb, as this is subject il, so how to conjugate with otond. All right, I hope everything is clear. If you don't understand anything, so watch this lesson 2 to 3 times, so definitely you will understand. And if you want to learn particularly some verb which I said, parler, finir, avoir, otond, there are different lesson I shoot for you, so watch, and then you can watch this lesson. Definitely you will understand. Still, if you have any confusion, any query, just write in the comment. I will make clear video as per your comment. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Keep learning.